Welcome student with a new topic, numerical method, Gauss-seidel iterative method. So remember these steps. Given simultaneous equations are supposed to be 1, 2, 3. So by these equation, so definitely there are supposed to be three unknowns, x1, x2, x3. So from these three equations, first find x1, x2, x3 by equation 1, 2, 3 respectively. It means that from equation 1 you find x1, from equation 2 you find x2, from equation 3 find x3. So this is the iterative method. That is why initially you consider the solution is x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 0 and x3 equal to 0. So that is supposed to be position 0. So you can see here I will denote it as x1 at 0 position, x2 at 0 position, x3 at 0 position. To make this table, by this table it will be very easy to evaluate or to find the next value. This table is very useful when we are solving the iterative method or lengthy method. So now this x1, x2, x3 we have. Find x1 by using x2 and x3 at the first position. It means that here we have like this. So what I am getting? I am getting here this x1 1 means first position. So this value I will get. So by using recent value means this 0 and this 0. So I will get this value. When I am going to find x2, that time I will use recent value. So which is the recent value of x1? This is the recent value of x1 and x3 is this one. So I will get this one. So when I am going to find x3, so it is supposed to be x3 first. That time I will use recent values of x1 and x2, these values. Similarly to find second position. So x1 at second position. So I need x2 and x3. So which are the recent values? These are the recent values. Similarly I will get here x2 1, x3 1 like that. Means third position, then fourth position. So do this process when we get the similar, means all equal values. For example, here I am getting 1.9, here I am getting 2.7, here I am getting 2.9. So similar values if I am getting for the second iteration or next iteration also same values. These are the final values. So do this process until similar values of x1, x2, x3 get. So let's consider one example on this. So let's consider first example. Solve the following system of equations by Gauss-seidel iteration method. 20x plus y minus 2z equal to 17, 3x plus 20y minus z equal to minus 18 and 2x minus 3y plus 20z equal to 25. So what is the solution for that? First you write the given equations. 20x plus y minus 2z equal to 17. Second equation, 3x plus 20y minus z equal to minus 18. Third, 2x minus 3y plus 20z equal to 25. So this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2 and equation number 3. What is the method? From equation 1 you find x1. From equation 2 find x2. From equation 3 find x3. It means that in this case find x from equation 1, y from equation 2 and z from equation 3. How? So from equation 1. What is value of x? So consider this, that side. So 17 minus y plus 2z and whole divides by 20. So I am getting here 1 by 20 in bracket 17 minus y plus 2z. From equation 2, value of y equal to 1 by 20 in bracket minus 18 minus 3x plus z. And from equation 3, value of z equal to 1 by 20 in bracket 25 minus 2x plus 3y. So denote these equations by 4, 5 and 6. So up to the end we require these values of x, y, z. Now first iteration. But before to that, I would like to suggest you all in such iterative method or lengthy method, always you consider the table, and by that table you will get the recent values of variables, maybe here x, y, z. So how to use that table, how to make that table, so we will see here in this example. So this table here, the values of x, y, z at first position means initially, after calculations we'll get the next positions means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Normally you take 4 to 5, but in some examples we require 8 to 9 steps or iterations also. So here the position. So what is the meaning of position, that I will explain. So here you consider the first iteration. So initially you consider the values 0th position, x equal to 0, y equal to 0 and z equal to 0. So always you consider the value 0, 0, 0. So it means that in table I am getting here the values initially means first position. So what are the values of x, y, z? So we already have from equation 4, 5, 6. So note that to find x I need values of y and z. So you always take the recent values. So these are the recent values of y and z. So here these are the values of x, y, z. So what we need? First iteration. It means that x at first position. Note that our next target is here. So what is this value? Its value is x at first position. You can denote. So here by this equation I will find. So what are the recent values of y and z? So recent value of y is this one and z is this one. So I am getting 1 by 20 in bracket 17 minus y is 0 and z 0. So that is why I am getting here 17 by 20. By calculator you find this value. So 0.85. So that value I will write here 0.85. Next value. What is the next value? Y at first position. So what is the formula or equation? This is y. So here 1 by 20 minus 18. So here I will consider 1 by 20. This is the first example. That is why I will write the recent value 3 x, which is the recent value of x, that I will denote here by x1 first position, plus z, which is the recent value of z, position is 0 means last value of z. So next time I will write directly. So it is equal to 1 by 20, put the values. So minus 18 minus 3, what is the recent value of x? So 0.85 plus recent value of z is 0. So by table it is very easy to take recent value of x, y, z. That is why for iteration method or iterative method or lengthy numerical methods, always you consider the table first. So by calculator you find this value. So I am getting y at first position, that is equal to minus 20.55 upon 20. I am getting minus 1.0275. So normally I will take up to 4 digit, but when our values will match or repeated 3 or 2 digit, so you can stop this iteration method. So next value is what? Y value 1 minus 1.0275. Now the z, complete this table. So z value means first position. What is that? I will use this equation. And here 1 by 20 in bracket 25 minus 2 x, recent value of x, which is recent value x1 position, plus 3 y, recent value, which position? First position, and that is equal to 1 by 20 in bracket 25 minus 2 x, recent value of x is 0.85 plus 3, recent value of y is a minus 1.0275. So I am getting here z at first position by calculator 15.2175 whole divides 20. So z at first position I am getting 0.760875, but up to 4 digits I will consider 9. So recent value of z is 0.7609. So first position complete. It means that first iteration complete. Now second iteration. So by this table, it is need not to write again the recent values of x1, x2, x3 or here xyz. You can see the table and here you can decide which is the recent one. So again the values of xyz you take from equation 4, 5, 6. Now x position second, that is equal to 1 by 20 in bracket 17 minus y, which is a recent y. Now you can see here the position, first position, plus 2z, which is a position, first position, which we know means recent values of z, first position. So substitute these values here and by calculator you will get the value of x at second position. So 17 minus y at first position minus 1.0275 plus 2 recent value of z means z at first position 0.7609. By calculator you find this value 19.5493 divided by 20. So I am getting here 0.97746 means 0.97746 means here 5 up to 4 digit. So put this value 0.9775. Note that first position of x and second position of x are not similar. It means that we have to complete this second iteration. If we get the similar values of x, y, z, it is your last iteration. Now the value of y at second position. So I will use directly now 1 by 20. So this equation minus 18 minus 3 recent value of x. From table I will see recent value of x is 0.9775 plus z. Recent value of z is what? 0.7609. So by calculator I will get the value. So I am getting here minus 20.1716 whole divides 20 and that is equal to minus 1.00858 means 86. So recent value of y you write here minus 1.0086. Now what is the value of z at second position? That is equal to by the equation 1 by 20 into 25 minus 2 into recent value of x. By table I will see it is a 0.9775 plus 3y recent value of y. By table minus 1.0086. So by calculator find this value. So I am getting it is a 20.0192 whole divides 20. So that value is 1.00096 means 010. So now the recent value of z is 1.0010. So z value is not same. So second iteration finish. Now the third iteration. Note that when we get the any recent value x, y, z, you always update the table first. So what is the third position of x? Again by this equation, that is equal to 1 by 20 in bracket 17 minus recent value of y. By table I am getting the recent value of y is minus 1.0086 plus 2z. What is the recent value of z? By table 1.0010. Note that without this table also you can consider this only the second iteration means last value of z by this here last value of y. But here chances to get the wrong steps or any wrong value. So it is very easy by table. So by calculator you find this value. So I am getting 20.0106 whole divides 20. So first value of this x is 1.0005. 1.0005. Now what is the value of y? Now the next equation I will use. So that is equal to 1 by 20 in bracket minus 18 minus 3 recent value of x 1.0005 plus 2 z. Recent value of z is 1.0010. So that is equal to by calculator I am getting minus 18.9995 divided by 20. So that value is minus 0.9499 means 9500 because next is 75. So next value of recent value of y is now minus 0.9500. What is value of z? So Z value at third position by this equation, it is equal to 1 by 20 in bracket 25 minus 2 into recent value of x is 1.0005 plus 3y. Recent value of y is by table minus 0.9500. I am getting 20.149 divided by 20. So this value at third position, it is a 1.0075. Suppose there are number of iteration we require, means 4, 5, 6. So next iteration I can do here directly. So why this table is important, you will get here. So I will complete this table by this value. So what is value of x fourth position? I will use this equation and recent values of y and z. So what we get? So up to 3, 4 iteration you do by the stepwise. After that directly table you consider. So by calculator I am getting 1 by 20 outside. But first 17 minus y. 17 minus recent y is what? Minus 0.9500 plus 2z. Z is recent value 1.0075. So I am getting here 19.965 divided by 20. So that value is 0.99982 and 5. It means that 3. Now value of y by using recent values of x and z. So what I am getting? It is a minus 18 minus 3 into recent value of x is 0.9983 plus z 1.0075. So I am getting here minus 19.9874 divided by 20. So that is nothing but minus 0.99937. 37 means 4. Now the z value by using this equation and recent values of x and y. 25 minus 2x, x is what? Recent 0.9983 plus 3 into y minus 0.9994. This value is 20.0052 divided by 20. So I am getting here 1.00026 means 3. Now next value of the fifth iteration, again this x by recent values of y and z. I am getting by calculator 17 minus recent value of y is minus 0.9994 plus 2z recent value is 1.0003. So that is equal to 20 by 20. So I am getting 1. Next is recent value of y. So value of y by using recent values of x and z. So minus 18 minus 3 into x. X is what? 1 plus z. Z is 1.0003. So y value is I am getting minus 0.999985. Means if we restrict up to the 4 digit, it is a 1.0. It means that I am getting minus 1.0. Means simply minus 1. Now by using this recent values of x and y, you find z. So again by equation 25 minus 2, x means 1 plus 3, y is minus 1. So equal to 20 by 20 I am getting 1. So here you can see if we restrict ourselves up to the 2 digit, only 2 digit, means when we are doing the calculation I will take 4 digit, but for answer I will restrict myself up to the 2 digit. So it is the same 0.99, it means that it is a 1, minus 0.99, it means that it is a minus 1, and here 1.00, it means 1. So it is a same answer I am getting. So you can conclude your answer is 1 minus 1, 1. But if I increase or I will add here one more iteration, so add here the 6th iteration, but by practice you can decide it is the final. Okay, let's start. Again the 6th iteration. So x by using recent values of y, z. So I am getting 17 minus y is a minus 1 plus 2, z is 1. So that value 20 by 20. So I am getting 1. Next is minus 18 minus 3x, x is 1, recent value is 1 plus z. Z is 1. So it is a minus 20 by 20. I will get here minus 1. And finally 25 minus 2. X is recent x is 1 plus 3. Recent y is minus 1. So I am getting 20 by 21. So here you can see the fifth, sixth iteration values are same, and that is why what is your answer? X equal to 1, y equal to minus 1 and z is 1. So finally you can write here, or you can write this table again there. So here I am getting answer as x equal to 1, y equal to minus 1 and z equal to 1, which is your final answer. Consider the example. Solve the following system of equations by Gauss-seidel iteration method. 27x plus 6y minus z equal to 85, 6x plus 15y plus 2z equal to 72, and x plus y plus 54z equal to 110. So solution here. Now it is very easy. First you write the given equations and denotes. So first equation 27x plus 6y minus z equal to 85. Next is 6x plus 15y plus 2z equal to 72. Third is x plus y plus 54 z equal to 110. So equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3. So from equation 1 you find value of x. So what is value of x? 1 by 27 in bracket 85 minus 6y plus z. From equation 2 we'll get value of y. It is a 1 by 15 in bracket 72 minus 6x minus 2z. And from equation 3 value of z equal to 1 by 54 in bracket 110 minus x minus y. So denote these equations by 4, 5 and 6. Again you consider a table that with position that we know. So here the values of x, y, z I want to find. Here the position initial, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 like that. So initially always solution is 0, 0, 0, and that is why consider x at 0 position 0, y at 0 position 0 and z at 0 position 0. Note that we have this equation 4, 5, 6. So to find x I will use equation 4, to find y I will use equation 5, to find z I will use equation 6. So first iteration. So these are the values of x, y, z. So initially by this table you can see the values are 0, 0, 0. That is why first value at first position x, it is a 1 by 27, 85 minus 6 at 0th position plus z at 0th position, and that is equal to I am getting 1 by 27 in bracket 85 minus 0 plus 0. So by calculator I am getting the first position of x value is 85 by 27. I am getting 3.14814 up to 4 digit 3.1481. So first position value of x is 3.1481. Now y value at first position, that is equal to 1 by 15 in bracket by this equation 72 minus 6, recent value of x is 3.1481 minus 2, recent value of z, it is a 0. So by calculator I am getting 53.1114 divides 15. So I am getting value at first position of y is a 3.5408, means fix up to 4 digit. So here value is 3.5408. If you fix your answer up to 4 digits. Now z at first position. So 1 by 54 in bracket 110 minus x at recent value 3.1481 and value of y recent value is 3.5408. By calculator you find this value. So I am getting here 103.3111 divides 54, means recent value or first position of z value is 1.9132. So put in table 1.9132. Now second iteration. Note that numerical methods are easy but so lengthy. So time management also important in exam. Now value of x at second position by using recent values of y and z. 1 by 27 in bracket 85 minus 6 into recent value of y by table 3.5408 and recent value of z is 1.9132. By table you can see. So by calculator directly I am getting the value of this is 65.6684 divided by 27. So it is equal to 2.4322. So update this value here. Now the value of y at second position. Again by this equation I am getting 1 by 15 in bracket 72 minus 6x. So recent value of x is what? 2.4322 minus 2z. Recent value of z by table I am getting 1.9132. So by calculator you find this value. I am getting 53.5804. Whole divides 15. So I am getting y at second position value is 3.5720. Update this value 3.5720. Now the z value at second position, it is equal to 1 by 54 in bracket 110 minus recent value of x is 2.4322 minus recent value of y by table 3.5720. So by calculator I am getting 103.9958. Whole divides 54. So I am getting z value at second position 1.9258. Update the table 1.9258. Now third. So second iteration complete. Now third iteration. So x value. So value of x at third position means third iteration 1 by 27 in bracket 85 minus recent value of y by table 3.5720. So it is a 6 into 3.5720 plus z. By table recent value of z is 1.9258. So I am getting here 65.4938. All divides 27. So it is equal to 2.4257. Update this value in table 2.4257. Now the y value by using recent values of x and z. Now value of y, third iteration, that is y here 3. It is equal to 1 by 15 in bracket 72 minus 6. Recent value of x by table 2.4257 minus 2. What is value of z? It is a 1.9258. You check this table. So bracket close. So I am getting here 72 minus 6 into 2.4257. So 53.5942 divides 15. So that is equal to 3.5729. So you can observe here value of y and z up to 3 digit same. So you can consider this value, but here x value is not same even though up to the third digit. So continue value of z. So definitely within 1 or 2 iteration will get the answer. So third iteration. So z value 1 by 54 in bracket 110 minus recent value of x by table 2.4257 minus recent value of y is 3.5729. So I am getting 104.0014. Whole divides 54 and that is equal to 1.9260. 1.9260. Note that if we restrict this solution up to 3 digit, it will be 1.92 and 6. Here also 1.926 up to 2 digit. It is a 3.572, 3.573. Here is some difference. Definitely in the next iteration, we will get the value of y also. But it is very clear that our answer is near to 3.5 means y is and x is 2.4 near to that. Now the fourth iteration. So here the value of x, if we have this table, you can see this. What is value of x? Now the next iteration. So x at fourth iteration, that is equal to 1 by 27 in bracket 85 minus 6. Recent value of y is 3.5729 plus z 1.9260, and that is equal to, by calculator I can see here, it is a 65.4886 whole divides 27, and that is equal to 2.4255. So 2.4255. Now second, y at fourth position, use this equation and recent values of x and z by table. So value of y 1 by 15 in bracket 72 minus 6. X is what? Recent value of x is 2.4255 minus 2. Recent value of z is 1.9260. So I am getting here 53.5950 whole divides 15, and that is equal to 3.5730. So update this value in table. Now the z value. Actually this table at initial position, but I am taking here so I can see easily. That is why. Now z at fourth position, by this equation I am getting 1 by 54 in bracket 110 minus recent value of x is 2.4255 minus recent value of y is 3.5730. So by calculator I am getting 104.0015 whole divides 54, and that is equal to 1.9260. Note that here up to 3 digit you can finalize your answer as x equal to 2.425, y equal to 3.573, and z equal to 1.926. This is your answer. But I will find here the next iteration also. But you in exam you can restrict your answer up to 3 digits. Okay, let's see. Now fifth iteration. So x at fifth iteration, that is equal to 1 by 27 in bracket 85 minus 6. Recent value of y is 3.5730 plus z 1.9260. So by calculator I am getting directly here 2.4255. So you can observe here I am getting same value of x. Now y, by using the equation 1 by 15 and recent values of x and z, 72 minus 6, x is a 2.4255 minus 2z, recent value is 1.9260. So I am getting the value of y 3.5730. It is same value. So definitely last value will be same, because if we have these two values same, so definitely third value also same. You can find out, or directly also you can write. So z value at fifth position, it is 1 by 54 in bracket 110 minus x value 2.4255 minus y value 3.5730. So I am getting this value directly by calculator 1.9260. So you complete your table here. So 6 iteration need not to find. So what are the final values of x, y, z? So answer is, by this table I can finalize the values of x. Value of x is 2.4255. Value of y is 3.5730, and value of z is 1.9260, which is your required answer.